BigTrain.com offers a number of ways to make purchasing quick and easy for our food service and business customers. In addition to adding items to your cart in the traditional way, BigTrain has some great tools to facilitate the order process. In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Quick Cart feature. Log in at the top of the website. Click Go. Then click on My Account. Now click on Quick Cart. If you have our BigTrain product name or item number handy, you can simply type that into the form. Our auto-suggest will help you select the proper match. Enter in the quantity you'd like next to each item. If you need more rows, just click the Add New Rows link at the bottom of the form. Want to start over? Just click the Reset button to enter your desired products again. Once you're done, hit the Add to Cart and proceed to check out normally. And that's the Quick Cart feature. Thanks for watching.